Hi, my name is Joeri Oltheten, and I'm an entrepreneur. We're here at the Chamber of Commerce of Curaçao. And if you want to know more about exporting, you should join us for the Get Ready for Export workshop, which will take place right here on May 27th from 6 to 9 p.m. You'll learn everything you have to take into account when exporting your products and services. You'll learn how to figure out when you're ready to start exporting, and you'll learn about the existing facilities. It's not going to be just a theoretical workshop. No. We're going to look into some practical examples from different sectors. So if you're a manager, a business owner, or a startup entrepreneur, and you want to know more about this topic, join us and register now, and we'll see you on May 27th.